Hey guys, how you doing? Jalen here, founder of Red Fitness, and we're gonna go over a few progressions to do an advanced core exercise called the Lsit, right? I'm gonna show you guys what the exercise looks like right now. After that, we're gonna go through the progressions. So in order to do the Lsit, you wanna have your legs straight out in front of you, press your hands by your hips, press up, and lift those legs. That's the Lsit. I'll show you guys what it looks like from the side so you can have a full view of that leg lift. You press up and lift. That is the Lsit. So to go over a few of the progressions, the first one, really simple, really easy. You want to do what's called an Lsit tuck. So you want to get into that similar position, press your arms up, shoulder blades down and back, and just lift with your legs tucked, just like this. Doing it with your legs tucked is a lot less strain on your abs, and it helps you build that core strength in order to progress to the Lsit. Let's see what it looks like from the side. Just like this. Next thing we want to do is called, usually forgot what it's called. Next progression we want to do is a leg lift, but we're going to do it single leg, all right? This one is a little bit easier than the tuck. It's a lot more of a beginner exercise for building that core. You want to get into a very similar position, press up and lift one leg. So what that looks like is this. Both legs straight out in front of you, nice and firm. Just lift one leg. Good, make sure those toes are flexed, squeeze that core. And you drop down. Do the same exact thing with the left leg. Each exercise you want to hold for about 10 seconds until you build to that Lsit. I'm going to show you guys what that single leg lift looks like from the side. You here, you press up, and you lift. Just like that. Hold that for 10 seconds. Good. Now, the third and final progression I want to show you guys is the Lsit, but we're going to do it on an elevated surface. Doing it on an elevated surface gives more room for your legs to hang beneath your hips. When your legs are hanging beneath your hips, it's a lot less strain on your abs, and it allows you to build that strength to get those legs even with your hips for that perfect L positioning. So, position yourself on the elevated surface like so. Most parks have bars that make it really easy to do this. I have my step-ups here, you know, fresh out of aerobics class. But you press up, nice and tall, and you put those legs low beneath the hips as opposed to up here. Having them lower, a lot less strain on your abs, and you good.